Hey, I wanted to make this quick video for you. You know, I've come down here to the beach and just getting a little bit peace of mind, relaxing, sitting under a shady tree, collecting my thoughts. And I wanted to make this for you because I've been noticing for something with myself that has been, you know, my own sabotage, right? I'm getting in my own way, right? I'm thinking about what others are gonna think of my content. I'm thinking about, you know, the reviews that I'm gonna get. I'm thinking about the views I'm gonna get. And I wanted to make this with you because that's absolutely bullshit, right? Just get after it, just go for it. That's the main thing, is you just need to start. I swear Nike has the best damn representation. Just do it, right? You gotta get clear, you just gotta make it happen. That's the whole principle of getting yourself to that next level, is it just starts with the first step, and you got to get going. And why I'm making this is because I'm feeling like, man, I've been only fucking myself, right? I'm only messing myself up because I'm worried about what others are gonna think about my content, or mainly is anybody gonna like it? You know, like, am I gonna get views and all that kind of shit? And that's besides the point. That's not what it's about, right? Get yourself in front of the camera. Get yourself writing that content. Get yourself to fucking make something, right? Be a creator. That's what we're here to do, is we're here to create shit, right? So I just came down here. I'm sitting under the shady tree. I'm over here just hanging out, checking out the beach, right? This is what I got going on. This is my afternoon. This is what I'm doing. This is what my days look like. And I'm blessed for that, right? You know, is sometimes we can get wrapped up in our head. We can get, you know, we can get fucked up in our minds because we're thinking too much. You know, we're not being productive. And so, hey, if you know, also if you are interested, like, hey, what's this dude doing? You know, what do you got going on that, you know, half day, you know, 1 o'clock, you know, you can go down to the beach and chill, you know? If you're interested in what I'm doing, I'll put the link in the description below for sure, or just comment, you know, like, what the hell are you doing? You know, it's a beautiful day out here. I'm enjoying my life. I'm making my own schedule. I'm making my own time, right? And what I'm doing is I'm content creating, right? I'm a creator. I'm making shit happen. I'm just doing it, right? Now, I'm not great at it yet, but I'm just doing it and it's working for me. So if you want to see how it could work for you as well, you know, make sure that you click the link in the description, and let's get after it. I'd love to see what you got going on, and you know, see how you can live the life that you want, right? I'm a firm believer in living in freedom and getting after it is what you want to do. So let's get it. Let's go. I'll see you on the next one.